अस्सलाम वालेकुम ट्रेडर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग ठीक होंगे। अच्छा, आज की इस वीडियो में हम गोल्ड के ऊपर बात करेंगे कि हमारी प्रीवियस एनालिसिस क्या थी, मार्केट ने उस पर किस तरह से रिएक्ट किया एंड व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट लॉजिकल मूव ऑफ द गोल्ड। गोल्ड का जो नेक्स्ट लॉजिकल मूव है हम उसके ऊपर भी प्रॉपर डिटेल के साथ बात करेंगे। लेकिन पहले चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि हमने लास्ट वीक क्या कहा था। ये हमारा ऑफिशियल व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, अगर आप लोग लर्निंग में इंटरेस्टेड है तो भी आप लोग कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं, या अगर आप लोग हमारी वीआईपी सिग्नल्स ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो भी आप लोग हमारे साथ इस वाले व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्क्रॉल डाउन करते हैं और आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं कि लास्ट वीक हमारी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रही। तो जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि हमने आप लोगों से कहा था कि व्हाट इज़ द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प एंड इलन मस्क ऑन द गोल्ड। तो ये वीडियो अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है तो इसमें मैंने रेंज का ज़िक्र किया था, क्योंकि दिसंबर और जनवरी में गोल्ड की मार्केट रेंज में रहती है। तो दिस video is very important for you guys to watch and listen that how the market is making reactions in the December and January. And after that, if you people just come here and watch the one day ago video, so here we have make another sell entry in the market and we have given a sell signals in the VIP WhatsApp group. So what was the reasons we have discussed in proper detail in this video. So you people just go here and watch that how we make a sell and got 90 pips at this time, and after holding this entry we got 200 pips from this market. So now we will shift move on that what is the next logical move of the gold. So here we go. Let me open the trading view account. So first of all, we should go to the weekly analysis. So if we go to the weekly analysis, so here you can see that this is the weekly candle chart. As you can see, we have mentioned, so there is no any momentum. There is also another week. You can see the next week. This is also a week, and here the full moment which we have seen is only $60 in this week. So the $60 was enough, not a big move. And what was the reason behind this? Because Donald Trump will make the office in 20th January. So after that, the United States dollar will be get supported, and the gold will become. If we see after the Donald Trump elections, win the Donald Trump elections. So here United States dollar will be goes stronger and more stronger. So the other materials in the products will be go towards demolish and decline. So gold is one of them. So we hope so that the gold will cool down. Okay. So now we will see some of the technical charts that how the gold market will make behavior in the next coming week. So as we know that the gold market is in the range. So if we zoom out, so here we see a pattern which is called triangle pattern. If we see this is let me mark this triangle pattern. We are here. So we are seeing that the gold market is in triangle. If we see the multiple time it is touching over there and this is coming like that. So here we go that the gold market will make behavior like that. So in this coming week there is no any sharpness will be coming. We will make sell from this area which is around 260 600 206 2600, and we will the buying areas there 200 and 6000 so is area for the buying area and this is the selling area. Okay, so now what is going on happen if we zoom out it and sort out it that first of all we will keep this pattern in our mind. We will never ignore the triangle pattern. But now if we see this is here in this region the gold market make the breakout and on this point we make catch the market, and we got a 200 pips movement in the buy position, and then in another day, in next after day, we make a sell entry in this region, and we sell this market and give signals to in VIP group, and we said that this market will come down to this area, and after that this market will jump toward this area. Now what is the order block in this current scenario? This is the order block. If we market, this is the order block area, so the gold market can come to this order block, or to come to this support area, which is previously resistant area, but now this has become support area. So the market can go up from this point, and or the gold market which can be go by in the order block area. So there is nothing special in this coming week. We are just in the range market. So I hope so that you people understand the whole story. So we should focus on the scalping trader trading. There is no any long-term psychology will be working here. We will just go for the scalping. If you got a $5 movement, if you get a $10 movement, this is very enough for you guys, because the whole market and the whole week have just created only $60 move. In the whole week you we got a $60 move. So in this scenario, if you got only $5 and $10 movement, if you catch that moment, that's mean that you are a good trader. So I hope so. This is enough for today. So we will see in the next situation. तो तब तक के लिए इतना ही मिलता है किसी और टॉपिक पे. अल्लाह हाफिज.